Okay, hi Jay. I understand you are just graduated from NUS recently. So basically, I'd like to do a short interview with you. Is it alright with you?
Sure, no problem.
Okay. Okay, sure. The first question, what were the changes in NUS during your stay there?
While I was there, the school actually changed a lot of the facilities, like the sports and recreation center. There was also a huge debate about the increase in school fees and hostel fees.
Oh yeah, I think I heard about that before. Is there anything else?
While I was there, they also changed some of the content of the teaching material. For example, they actually revamped the syllabus to make it more relevant to today's society.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. Okay, the next question is, why did you choose to go to NUS?
I graduated with a degree in chemical engineering, and at that time, NUS was the only school offering chemical engineering. And another reason is that NUS is one of the best schools in the world. In fact, it's ranked top 20 in the world for engineering and number 1 in Singapore.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, do you think anything can be improved further after your graduation, or yeah?
Oh yes, of course. First of all, I think that the standard of teaching in NUS should be improved because some of the lecturers there still are lacking in this area. And also, I think that the intake of foreign students should actually be reduced because I think that a lot of local students are unable to enroll into the school because of this.
Oh, okay, yeah, I totally agree with you on that. Okay, so thank you very much. See you again. Bye.